So in this video, I will explain how to find the inverse Laplace transforms by using completing the square method. For that, so we know this property one of the Laplace transform, that is Laplace transform of e to the power of at into f of t, that is f of s minus a. Now we have to find the inverse of this f of s minus a, that is inverse of f of s minus a. So since there is a s minus a term, you write e power at into inverse Laplace transform of f of s. So inverse Laplace transform of f of s is f of t. This is one of the form. Or we may have this form also, that is suppose if you have a s plus a, inverse Laplace transform of f of s plus a form, then you should write e power minus at into inverse Laplace transform of f of s, which is nothing but e power minus at into f of t. So now I will explain one examples on each method. So I will take up inverse Laplace transform of, find the inverse Laplace transform of 2s minus 1 by s square plus 4s square plus 4s plus 29. So denominator we have to consider it s square plus 4s plus 29. See, the denominator is of the form a square plus 2ab, the first one. This is not the third one. So here 4s, no, s 4s. So you divide 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 will be 2. You square the 2, so it becomes 4. You add and subtract 4. That is s square plus 4s plus 4 minus 4 plus 29. Now you first these three terms becomes and you combine these two. So this is of the form a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write this as s plus 2 whole square. And this 29 minus 4 will be, that is 25. So now I will take the given term 2s minus 1 divided by s square plus 4s plus 29 will be equal to 2s minus 1 divided by, this we can write s plus 2 whole square plus 25. Since we have a s plus 2 in the denominator, numerator also should contain s plus 2. That is, here we have 2 s, no? So add and subtract 2. So it becomes s plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 25. So numerator we can write it as 2 into s plus 2. This is one term. 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4 minus 1 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 25. Or you can write this as 2 into s plus 2 minus 5 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 25 can be written as 5 square. So I'll split it into two terms. 2 into s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square minus 5 into s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Now I'll find the inverse. So inverse Laplace transform of 2s minus 1 by s plus 2 whole square plus 29 will be equal to, here 2 is a constant, into inverse Laplace transform of s plus 2 by s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square minus 5 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Since we have s plus 2 on the right hand side, so first you write e power minus 2t and change this s plus 2 to s, because I have taken e power minus 2t. So and here s square plus 5 square, and here minus 5 into e power minus 2t into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus 5 square, or this is 2 e to the power of minus 2t into, this is cos 5t minus 5 e to the power of minus 2t into, this is sin 5t by 5. You can refer the standard inverse Laplace transform. So 5 gets cancelled. So I'll take e power minus 2t as minus 2t as common. So remaining will be 2 cos 5t minus sin 5t. So this is about the inverse Laplace transform, that is by completing the square.